Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Newsfeed Career Quiz. So let's start our current affairs of July 20th, 2021 from today's importance. So on this day, it is celebrated as World Chess Day. On December 12, 2019, the UNGA proclaimed 28th July as World Chess Day to mark the date of the establishment of the International Chess Federation in 1924. Chess was invented in northern Indian subcontinent during the Gupta period. And going to the current affairs, the first question is, who among the following becomes the fourth fastest batsman to score 6,000 runs in ODI? And the options are A. Prithvi Shaw, B. Surya Kumar Yadav, C. Shikhar Dhawan, and D. Hardik Pandya. And the correct answer is C. Shikhar Dhawan. Shikhar Dhawan becomes the fourth fastest batsman to complete 6,000 runs in ODI. Shikhar Dhawan becomes the 10th Indian to score 6,000 runs in ODI. And the second question is, which of the following film has bagged the Best Film Award in Cannes Film Festival? And the options are A. Titan, B. Parasite, C. Nitram, and D. both A and B. And the correct answer is A. Titan. The Palm D or Went to Titan, directed by Julia becomes the second female director to win the award. In 1993, Jane Campion becomes first female filmmaker to receive the Palm D or is the highest prize awarded at the Cannes Film Festival, which is introduced in 1955. In 1955, the first Palm d'Or was awarded to Delbert Mann for the film Marty. Lewis Carroll won Best Director Award for Annette at 74th Cannes Film Festival. Caleb Landry Jones won Best Actor Award for Nitram at 74th Cannes Film Festival. And Renata Rinci won Best Actress Award for Worst Person in the World. Grand Prix jointly awarded to Asghar Farhadi and Juho Kushmanen at 74th Cannes Film Festival. Payal Kapadia's A Night of Knowing Nothing won the Oil d'Or Award for Best Documentary at 74th Cannes Film Festival. The Oil d'Or jury was headed by American documentary producer Ezra Edelman. The 74th Annual Cannes Film Festival held from 6th July to 17th July 2021. And the third question is, which of the following state becomes first state to administer 4 crores COVID-19 vaccines? And the options are A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Karnataka, and D. Delhi. And the correct answer is B. Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh state becomes first state to administer 4 crore COVID-19 vaccines. And the fourth question is, Bashar al-Assad has sworn in as president of which of the following country? And the options are A. Oman, B. Saudi Arabia, C. North Korea, and D. Syria. And the correct answer is D. Syria. Bashar al-Assad sworn in as president of Syria for fourth term. Bashar al-Assad has been the president of Syria since 17 July 2000. His father Hafiz al-Assad was the president of Syria from 1971 to 2000. And the fifth question is, which of the following state has announced 10% reservation for EWS? And the options are A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Kerala, C. Tamil Nadu, and D. Karnataka. And the correct answer is A. Andhra Pradesh. And the sixth question is, which of the following country has exported apples to India for the first time? And the options are A. Switzerland, B. Denmark, C. United Kingdom, and D. Greenland. And the correct answer is C. United Kingdom. UK has exported apples to India for the first time. And the seventh question is, who is the author of the book titled The Long Game: How the Chinese Negotiate with India? And the options are A. Krishnamurti, B. Vijay Gokhale, C. Kishore Satyajit, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is B. Vijay Gokhale. Book titled The Long Game: How the Chinese Negotiate with India, authored by Vijay Gokhale, published by Penguin Random House. And the eighth question is, which of the following state launched a mobile app, Pensioners Life Certification Verification? And the options are A. Manipur, B. Arunachal Pradesh, C. Assam, and D. Meghalaya. And the correct answer is D. Meghalaya. And the ninth question is, which of the following organization has acquired 40.95% stake in Just Dial? And the options are A. DMart Retail, B. Reliance Retail, C. Big Bazaar Retail, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is B. Reliance Retail. And the 10th question is, Indian Council of Agriculture Research celebrated its Foundation Day on 16 July. And the options are A. 95th, B. 100th, C. 93rd, and D. 110th. And the correct answer is C. 93rd. Indian Council of Agriculture Research celebrated its 93rd Foundation Day on 16 July. And the 11th question is, which of the following countries has become new ICC members? And the options are A. Switzerland, B. Mongolia, C. Tajikistan, and D. All the above. And the correct answer is D. All the above. Switzerland, Mongolia, and Tajikistan become new ICC members. Mongolia and Tajikistan are the 22nd and 23rd members of the Asia region. The ICC now has 106 members in total, including 94 associate nations. Zambia's membership has been cancelled due to continued non-compliance with ICC membership criteria. International Cricket Council, founded in 1909 and headquartered in UAE. And the 12th question is, who among the following has won 2021 British Grand Prix? And the options are A. Lewis Hamilton, B. Max Verstappen, C. Sergio Perez, and D. Leclerc. And the correct answer is A. Lewis Hamilton. Lewis Hamilton won the 2021 British Grand Prix. And the 13th question is, the country's first pod taxi run between Noida Airport to which of the following? And the options are A. India Gate, B. Rajbahn, C. Delhi Airport, and D. Film City. And the correct answer is D. Film City. This driverless pod taxi will run 14 kilometers from Noida Airport to Film City. And the 14th question is, which of the following states celebrated the Asha Bonalu traditional festival? The options are A. Odisha, B. Telangana, C. Andhra Pradesh, and D. Karnataka. And the correct answer is B. Telangana. And the one-liners today are, Ishan Kishan becomes second Indian to make ODI debut on birthday. China-India bilateral trade in the first half of the year totaled USD 57.48 billion. Shikhar Dhawan becomes oldest Indian on ODI captaincy debut at 35 years and 225 days. Suhas Elavia, DM of Gautam Buddha Nagar, has qualified for Tokyo Paralympic. And thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Comment down your doubts below about current affairs. Stay safe, stay home.